Hi everyone, welcome back. Here, I'm gonna plan in my classic happy planner for the next week of May. And this week, what I'm gonna do is try and use up one whole sticker page. I get to pick whatever sticker page I want. So I picked one out of Garden Flowers. I think I'm gonna pick this one like corner flowers, and then we'll just use that one. And it shouldn't be that hard. Do that one. This one. This should just be like you'll like fast plan with me, probably. So let's go.
Giardia, a common stomach parasite that can be transferred through things such as contaminated water and, of course, eating ass.
Okay, so magically I'm done because my video stopped recording. I guess I ran out of storage on my phone and I didn't realize it, but I fixed it. I have more storage now, but my planner page is done. So ta-da, here's the end product. And I really liked it. I used Garden Flowers and Planner Basics to do like the headers and boxes and things like that. And I did use one whole sticker sheet, which is all the flowers all over, and one habit tracker. So hopefully you like this video anyway. So please hit the like button if you want to see more that are hopefully better than this. Hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to get notified when I put up a new video. And that's all of this video though. Thanks. Bye.